Hello and welcome to my channel. Today's video will be completely a different video from my others video of my YouTube channel, because today I am looking for dogs and we all should feed them, especially to street dogs. I'll go right and then I will buy some bread for them. Then I will look for and I will feed them. No dogs here. Where are all dogs today? I can't see any dogs on the road. What are they? How much this one? Koto ekta? I bought these breads for 60 taka, per piece 10 taka. And now I'll feed dogs. Now I have to look for where is the dog. When I will see a dog on the road, then I will feed them. But I can't see any dog here. I feel like I should this bread keep in my bag, otherwise it can fall on the road. Where are dogs? There is no dogs. In front of me you can see a lamp, but they don't eat this bread. Lamp is calling someone. I don't know if you see this clearly because of my camera's wide angle. It is really beautiful. He have no friend here. He's alone. Okay, now I have to look for dog. Where are they?